The universe is saying, be comfortable with not knowing that which is next, as there really is nothing to fear. Your continued belief and faith will bring its own rewards. You have grown and can finally put the past behind you. You have learned that which has been needed and can move forward to the next exciting stage of your journey. You can recreate your life at any time. The choice is always yours. The past is gone and the future is not here yet. Live in the present moment, day by day, and make it truly beautiful. Remember, all really is possible. So continue to believe, and an abundance of bright blessings you shall receive. You do not need to force anything. You just need to wake up each day, show up, be grateful, and do that which you are guided to work on. Keep following the path of your heart. Keep yourself grounded. Avoid procrastination at all costs in relation to an ideas of inspiration you are receiving, as they hold meaning to your journey moving. Remember, you truly matter, so keep being true to you and love the beautiful soul you are even more too. Type Amen if you believe in God.